Utopia Kitchen 11-inch non-stick frying pan, induction bottom, aluminum alloy and scratch-resistant body, riveted handle, dishwasher friendly. The wobble-free bakelite handle is ergonomically designed and riveted strongly to the pan, so you can have a safe cooking experience without worrying about the handle getting loose ever. The induction bottom of the frying pan is suitable for all types of cooking, including electric and ceramic cooktops. Formed with multi-layered non-stick and top-rated aluminum alloy which is used for highly durable professional-grade frying pans. High-quality non-stick interior allows for easier cooking and cleanup, PFOA, lead and cadmium-free. Dishwasher safe. For hand cleaning, first use a paper towel, wooden, or plastic spatula to remove off any loose food from the pan. Then use a soft nylon scrubber, sponge, or paper towel sprinkled with a few drops of dishwashing soap to wipe the non-stick surface clean. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.